Welcome to What the Heck is Flipped Learning. So what we're going to look at in this session is how we're going to change the learning structure that we're going to be going through this term. So the first thing is this idea of flipped learning. So at the moment, all you guys are really familiar with how we do school, which is we've got the group space, and then we've got the individual space. And how we traditionally do school is that we do all of our instruction in the group space, and that's where we're doing our direct instruction, which is when the teacher is standing at the front and they're going through content or information. So it's learning content. And that's great. Nothing wrong with it. But what tends to happen is that then in an individual space, that kind of becomes our practice time, or where we're starting to apply the information that we've learned. Where we're starting to apply the information that we've learned. The problem is that in this practice part, we don't have the expert with us. You're at home, you're sitting there going through your work, and if you don't know the answer, there's no one to ask. So we've come up with this idea of, how about if we flip this? So instead of doing our direct instruction in the group space, let's do that in the individual space. And instead of doing our practice and our applying in the individual space, let's turn that around and do that in the group space. The beauty of computers and video and what we're doing here is that we now have the technology to do that. So what's going to happen now is that in our group space, that's going to end up being all the stuff we do in class, where we have knowledge or information already, content that we've learned at home. And then we come into the class and we're able to apply it. And we're going to be doing different things, like sometimes we'll be working in individuals. Sometimes we'll be working in small groups. Sometimes we'll be doing whole class discussions. Or class projects. What it means is that this is going to be so much richer. You guys are going to be able to really dig into the information and start to have a play with it, start to look at, why does this happen? Instead of just having that time where you're learning just skills at school or just the content at school, we're going to actually start to look at how we can make that work and get deeper into it. What does that mean for the individual space? Well, that means you guys watch a video very similar to this one, and you're going to take notes, and there may be some questions that you'll be expected to answer. And those questions will be starting to apply the information or the content, starting to get you to think about, what does it mean? How does it all interact? What are the relationships between that information? But it's really just a precursor for the fun stuff and the good stuff, the deeper knowledge and understanding that's coming from our group space.